Hello my dear friends, welcome to the Oliver's channel. In this video we are going to solve a really tricky math question. What's the value of the expression 20 minus open bracket 6 plus 6 close bracket divided by 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question confused many people and made them choose the wrong option. Let's dive in and crush it together. Many people in the first step of solving this question go straight to the expression inside the brackets and replace it with 20 minus 12 divided by 2. In the next step, they usually focus on 20 minus 12 and rewrite this expression as 8 divided by 2. Finally, they get the answer 4. And immediately, without any hesitation, they say the correct answer to this question is option C. However, this answer is completely wrong. Now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. As you can see on this screen, we have a subtraction sign, followed by an expression inside brackets and then a division sign. To solve this expression, we need to use the BODMAS rule. In this rule, B stands for bracket, O stands for order, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We need to perform these operations in order from top to bottom. So, we start with the bracket first because it has the highest priority than the other operations. Okay, we can write this expression as 20 minus 12 divided by 2. Now this expression is a bit simpler and we have a subtraction sign and a division sign. We need to perform the division between 12 and 2 first, because division has a higher priority than subtraction. So, this expression simplifies to 20 minus 6. Finally, we do the subtraction and the final answer becomes 14. Therefore, option B is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.